Okay, here is now the answer to the activity, to the practice exercise that I gave you. So on that page that I gave you in number 28, 3x plus 2y equals 19 and 2x minus 3y equals 4. If you notice, none of these variables, the x and the y's, have numerical, or none of these has one for a numerical coefficient. No? So there's no x plus or y only. It's more than 1. So here it's 3, 2, here it's 2, and here is negative 3. So what you will do is choose a variable. Hold on. Choose a variable that you want to eliminate. Okay? You can either eliminate, if you want to eliminate x, or do you want to eliminate y? Okay? Next, after deciding, now you are going to make the numerical coefficients of the variable, numerical coefficient of the variables, of the variable that you chose, okay? The same. It should be the same. So for 3x here and 2x here, you should come up with a number that is the same here and here, okay? Or if you chose y, then you should come up with a number that would be the same here and here. So what am I referring to? So I'm referring to the multiple. So you choose a least, or the least common multiple of these numbers. Anyway, it so happened that here it's 3 and 2, here it's 2 and negative 3. I mean, if you notice, if you will end up with the same, what do you call this? The same LCM. If you choose x, then your LCM is 6. If you choose y, your LCM is still 6. Alright? Now in my case, I will choose the y. Okay? I want to eliminate the y, not the x. Why, miss? Because my y, if you notice, the signs are already opposites. Okay? So I will end up with additive inverses. Okay? So I will eliminate the y, and now the LCM is 6. And so to get 6, what will I multiply to 2? I will copy first. So 3x plus 2y equals 19. 2x minus 3y equals 4. So to get to 6 for my LCM, I will multiply 2 by 3, both sides of the equation. Remember the rule still applies. What you did to the left, you do it to the right. If you multiply 3 on the left side, you will also multiply 3 on the right side. Okay? Here, what will I multiply? What will I multiply to negative 3 to end up with 6? Okay, it's still, it's 2. There you go. So, I will write my answer, my new equations here, or derived equations. So, here you distribute, okay? Multiply the 3 to every term in the equation. Same here, multiply the 2 to each of the term here. Alright? Now, write your answer here. 3 times 3x here. 3 times 3x will give you 9x. Next, 3 times 2y will give you positive 6y. 19 times 3 will give you, now 3 times 9 is 27, carry 2, it's 57. Right? Now this one, 2 times 2x will give you 4x. 2 times negative 3y will give you negative 6y. 4 times 2 will give you, here, 4 times 2 will give you positive 8. Now I can add, right? So if you notice, I end up with additive inverses already. So I chose y because the signs are already opposites. Okay, opposite signs. Now I will add, this will be cancelled. Not cancelled, this will be eliminated. It's 0. So 9 plus 4 will give you 13x equals 57. I'll give space. Equals, because it's 0. 57 plus 8 will give you 65. Correct? Now divided by 13 both sides. There you go. X equals, so 13 or 65 divided by 13. So let's check. 13 times 5. Oh, see? I'm using my space here. 13 times 5 is 15, carry 1. So 65, tumpak. So 65 divided by 13 will give me 5. Right? Now I have the value for x. I will use this to solve for y. I can choose this. Go back to the original equation, okay? You choose the first or the second, it's all up to you. I will work on with the first equation. I will copy first. Alright. 3x plus 2y equals 19. Now, I will substitute 3 times, instead of writing x, I will write 5. Copy the rest of the equation. There you go. Now, 15 plus 3 times 5 is 15. Copy. And move to the right side. What is left is 2y equals. Copy the 19. The 15 becomes negative because you crossed the equal sign. 2y is now equal to 19 minus 15 will give me 4 divided by 2 both sides. Y is positive 2. Now, will I stop there? No, you have to check. Alright? By checking, I will substitute. So 3x plus 2y equals 19. 3 times 15 plus 2 times 2 for the y. So, 5. 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 indeed equals 19. It's a true equation. Check. Second equation. So, 2x minus 3y equals 4. So, 2 times 5 minus 3 times 2 equals 4. 10 minus 6 equals 4. Indeed, 4 equals 4. Therefore, we can say, I don't have enough space, so I will write it here. I'm just maximizing what's left for me. So, my solution set is 5 and 2. Alright?